welcome back to Friends Cooking Channel. My name is Riva.
Hi guys, my name is Ashvi and I am Riva's friend.
Yeah, so today we are going to make an Oreo milkshake. So let's get started. We are having a mixture over here and a milk and a bowl of Oreo. As you can see, the milk is not full, and if you will take the full milk, mixture will not mix it properly. So let's get started. My friend is adding some milk in the mixture.
Now you always want to leave some left in there and then add the Oreos in.
And I am adding some Oreos in it.
Just two, okay, for right now. And crush them, yeah. Crushing is an important part so the mixture doesn't have a much problem.
And you can break it and throw it so mixture doesn't have problem and it can mix easily.
And then you just add it on top. Add all the milk you have.
I'm adding again one Oreo.
And you want to leave one Oreo just for a decoration?
Yeah.
It's not necessary.
Yeah. Now, we are starting it by mixing it. So, let's get started. 1, 2, 3 and start. In middle you can
As you
stop
can
it.
see,
And
yes, that is
whoa.
perfect. Now you just want to pour it into the glass.
And now we are ready with it and just pour it into the glass. I am having a glass over here and I am
Be very careful with the mixture. It can cut you or hurt you very bad.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we just added this much milk and
as we
look
have
how
said-
much full that is. What did you want to say?
And as I said that one biscuit you should left for the decoration. It's not, it is just optional, it's not important actually. So if you want, you can do.
We like to do it.
Yeah.
Just more decoration.
And guys, we are going to say one more thing. If you want to add ice cream, you can.
That would taste really good. We didn't
Yeah.
have ice cream available here, so we couldn't do
we are
that.
just
And look at this cute little golden bird.
and you can see the Oreo milkshake. We have done with it.
And we have some left.
Milkshake that we can drink it afterwards or anytime.
Yeah.
So, but actually, hey guys, I want to say one important thing that please we cannot store this milk, so please don't store it. If you are able to finish it more and more time, you can please finish it in faster more time. So bye friends, and tell me in the comments how you like it or not.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our channel, and if you
Please share and subscribe our channel.
and if you like our videos, subscribe as well. Bye.
And friends, don't forget to write in the comment how is our milkshake.
We still
So bye bye.
Wow, that looks so good.